Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the extended magazine release, this part right here, on the Ruger PC Carbine. Spoiler alert, it's just one screw, take it off and install it. Let's get to it. We're going to start to remove the existing magazine release, and that's just with a 5/64 Allen wrench. I'm putting my thumb over the magazine release just in case it pops out. Usually that's not a problem. Don't need that anymore. Here's the aftermarket upgrade. Put the same screw back in. Get a little bit of Loctite. I'm using 242. Blue Loctite. And a drop will do. So you want to hold the lever from the back up and then just line everything up. And for those that are not familiar with the Ruger PC Carbine, this button could be installed both on the left or the right hand side. And it's the same procedure. So the last couple threads, I like to push the button down just so that everything is lined up. And I'm going to snug this screw down. That's it. I don't think it could be any easier than that. We got ourselves a extended magazine release button, and as you can tell, the surface area is quite a bit larger than the stock magazine release. It also protrudes out, makes it quick and easy to access. I prefer it on the right hand side. I mean, I think others prefer on the left, doesn't matter. No sharp edges, nothing for you to catch on. I think I have a competition out there that has a lot of sharp edges. It's not really my style. Maybe it'll work for somebody, but I like smooth edges. I think it looks better, and I think it's less likely to snag onto something. And there you go. Here's a side-by-side comparison for you guys. The total upgrades I have available for the Ruger PC Carbine includes the over travel limiter, the extended charging handle, the extended magazine release, as well as the barrel mounted optics rail. As per YouTube's new firearms policy, I cannot tell you guys where you can purchase these upgrades, nor can I tell you how much they cost, and I also cannot leave you a link in the description below as to where you can purchase this. However, what I can tell you is that my name is Kay. The name of my channel is Created by Kay, and this is the Ruger PC Carbine. In a completely unrelated note, Google is the world's largest search engine. That's it, everybody. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.